Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can reformat the JSON data using Notepad++. So without further delay, let's get started. So I have a JSON data and it is in minified and or a compressed format. So I want to reformat that into a correct JSON format. So to do that in Notepad++, we need a help of one plugin. So we need to install that plugin, and so that we will have that option to reformat the JSON into a correct format. So open your Notepad++ and go to the plugins option and go to the plugins admin, and here search for JSON Viewer, and simply install it, and it will ask you to restart the Notepad++. Click yes. Yeah, and it has restarted the Notepad++. And now if I want to reformat the JSON data, means then in that particular file I have to go to plugins and then JSON Viewer and then format JSON option. You can also use that shortcut Control Alt Shift M, or you can go through come to this plugins and JSON Viewer and then format JSON option. Now you can see, right, the JSON data is formatted into a kind of a tree format, and I can also minimize and extract to see the data better. So yeah, this is how you can format the JSON data in Notepad++ using the plugins JSON Viewer. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.